Hello, my name is Joshua Austin, and I'm a restorative dentist in San Antonio, Texas. You know, when COVID hit and the pandemic took over, we went through our office and we tried to identify things called fomites, which are inanimate objects that people touch that could potentially communicate a disease. And one of those fomites that we ran across that I think all of our offices have are these clipboards and pens, and people touch these and they fill out paperwork and sign consent forms and stuff, and they're really impossible to sterilize, and they're just gross. And so we decided to get rid of them. And we replaced it with something called YAPI. YAPI is a service that allows us to have our patients use their own devices to fill out their new patient paperwork, sign their consent forms, and all of those types of things. So we don't need the clipboard and pen anymore. When a new patient calls and schedules their new patient visit, they get a text from YAPI that comes from our office with a link to their new patient paperwork. They click that, fill it out there on their phone or their iPad. That submits it to us, integrates with our software, so it makes it way more turnkey and way more simple for my front desk team. Before we had YAPI, we used to tell new patients all the time to go to our website, print out our forms, so they're on PDF in the upper right-hand corner, and bring those with you to the appointment. And what do you think the percentage was of people who did that? It was like 10%. So people came and they still had to fill out new patient paperwork. Our percentage of people who complete their new patient paperwork forms, all of them before their visit, on their own device with YAPI, is up around 95%. So patients come ready to be seated for their appointment, saves them time in the waiting room, saves my team time in data entry, and it makes the whole process much more seamless. It's the same thing for consent forms. Consent forms are so much easier now when we don't have to worry about printing paper, having it signed, then scanning it in, and all the different places and things that touches along the way. So not only does YAPI make your practice more seamless, easier on your front desk and admin team, it also makes it safer. And I think that's something that we can all get behind.